Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to correct time off. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To correct time off in Workday, you generally need to either edit or cancel an existing time off request or submit a new time off request to fix errors. The exact option depend on the company's Workday configuration and permissions. In order to correct time off in Workday, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Workday application and be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is go to the time off section, and once you're inside your time off section, all you gotta do is locate the request that you have made. Then once located, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the edit or cancel if the option is available, and then once done, all you gotta do is tap on done. You can also do it on the browser as well by simply heading over and opening up your browser, and then on the search bar type in workday.com and then log into your account. Now once you're inside the dashboard, search for my time off or select time off work date, find the time off request you want to correct, and if allowed, click edit or cancel next to the request and edit the dates, time or reason, save your changes or cancel the request, and submit any updated request for approval if required. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.